Future millionaires, we back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. So we're gonna do something a little different today. We're gonna go over the top Shiba Inu news stories because the market is contracting right now, or consolidating as some would say. I want to just, get as many good news stories out there about Shiba Inu as possible. Now, some of these are, obviously stories of Shiba Inu. When will it hit 62 cents? Obviously, that's something that we expect, in the next couple years or so. So we will check that one out quickly. But for the most part, I just want to cover the latest news stories on SHIB, put it on your desk so that way you are up to date with the latest data. So let's take a look at this. How high will Shiba Inu go if Bitcoin hits 350,000? So we're gonna check this story out. We might do 2 to 3 stories in this one video right here. So Bitcoin has been among the best performing assets of the last decade and a half. As Bitcoin's price has risen, so has the price of other assets. As the market leader, a Bitcoin rally also trickles into other altcoins. Shiba Inu has also benefited from Bitcoin's price going up. BTC hit a new all-time high of 73,000 earlier this year, fueled by BTC ETF inflows. So the Bitcoin, Ethereum ETFs that were taking place, allowing institutional money to now be able to flow into crypto, that provided a lot of speculation, a lot of bullishness to the market, and also some liquidity, where we're seeing prices rise up to all-time high, 73K. So according to Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki, y'all know one of my favorite authors, BTC could surge to $350,000 by August 25th, 2024. BTC reaching 350,000 from current levels would translate to a growth of over 462%. So this is what he say: Bitcoin will be $350,000 by August 25th, 2024. It's not a lie. It's a prediction. It's speculation. It's an opinion, but it's not a lie. It's sucker's bait, but it's not a lie, because any prediction about the future is not a lie. I want $350,000 Bitcoin to be a fact. Basically just saying, it's not financial advice. He could be wrong, but that's where he sees it being. So when will Shiba Inu begin this rally? SHIB has taken a beating over the last few days. The asset is down by 6.2% in the daily charts, nearly 16% in the weekly charts, and 26.3% in the 14-day charts, and almost 40% over the previous month. So some people might look at this as a bad thing, but from the investor standpoint, you need to look at this as, hey, I'm getting a discount of over 40% from what people were paying just a month ago. You got to always look at it like that. This is an extreme discount. This is an opportunity to just grab. Now, obviously, you want to be wise, only risk what you're willing to lose. So that way, and always leave some dry powder so that way you can buy later on as well. I like to save enough to be able to buy the dip at least 3 times during, a pullback or a correction phase. So keep that in mind as well. Now, the latest market dip is likely due to Bitcoin falling below 63K. Also, with the Mt. Gox repayment plan going on, they're planning to refund $9.4 billion in cryptocurrency and some cash to previous account holders on this platform that were scammed out of their money. So a lot of people are expecting this $9.4 billion, or a big portion of it, to leave the market, to get liquidated, because some of these people have been waiting for years to be repaid for this platform. So think about it. If they've been waiting, 5 years or so. I don't know exactly when it happened. I think it was, let me look it up. Let me see. When did the Mt. Gox scandal take place? Okay, so it was a hack 2014. So 10 years ago, it looks like. So 10 years ago. So think about this. People waiting for their refunds for over 10 years now. Think about what the price of Bitcoin was 10 years ago. Those people could be up nicely on their investment. So, well, they obviously are, but they could be wanting to take profits on those investments, is what I meant to say. So, just think about it. A lot of people are saying, hey, if you bought Bitcoin 10 years ago and all of a sudden we're allowed access to it, would you start selling? And some of those people are saying yes. So in preparation for that, the market is pulling back as well. So also, on the other hand, it says it's most probably because of minor capitulation, investor fatigue, the lack of new capital in the market, and major outflows from ETFs. miners began selling their holdings as the cost of mining 1 BTC surpassed the $86,000 level last week. According to crypto analyst Ali Martinez, Bitcoin's price usually surpasses the cost of mining 1 Bitcoin. We may soon see a trend reversal with Bitcoin hitting a new high of over 86,000. If BTC hits 85,000, Shiba Inu will likely follow suit and break out into a rally. So I think that's that's a fair speculation. Now they didn't tell us exactly where they think SHIB will go to, but they did tell us obviously they feel SHIB will go higher if Bitcoin goes higher. So we all pretty much believe that if you're pro Shiba Inu, pro crypto, in the next 5 years or so, we believe crypto will be higher than where it is now. So if you're a long-term investor, you pretty much have nothing to worry about. So that's all we got for this video. Shout out to everybody for rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Matter of fact, I did say we only need 2 stories. Let's see. Let's try to squeeze another story in here. Let's see. Top story. When will SHIB reach 62 cents? SHIB to surge to the 4.0 level, but when? Okay, let's check this out. So they say Shiba Inu is expected to hit that 4,000 points per coin level. So SHIB was trading at a low of 1,700 points per coin, following a 6% dip in the last 24 hours. June has been a difficult month for the asset. SHIB has recorded a 28% drop over the last 30 days. As the asset struggles to get back to the 402 level, the market is waiting for positive news. A crypto analyst who goes by Captain Parabolic decided to bring some hope into the market using technical indicators. The analyst suggested that a rally is on its way. Captain PT employed the 5-way Elliott wave pattern since October 2023. According to this analysis, the first wave could push SHIB to the 405 level, which would be a yearly high for the meme coin. But wave 2 might cause a 50% drop back to the 4025 level. The third wave is often considered the most bullish. Therefore, it could take SHIB to a high of 0.0001 and even surge to a high of 0.002. So I like to see that. I like to see those bullish speculations or analysis that point to SHIB deleting a zero. Because if y'all remember, a few months back, I called that happening before, when we had all the optimism in the market with ETFs and everything taking place, before the Bitcoin halving, before Coinbase and Robinhood allegedly turned off buying and selling buttons for people. That really threw a wrench in the market and took a lot of excitement with it as well. So that gave us our first blow. And then with markets being stagnant and consolidating in this range, exhaustion, it's something called investor fatigue, where investors can get tired of holding an asset without seeing it do anything. It could, if it's going green, that's fine. But even if it's not going down in price, if it's just staying at the same price, some people can get bored and want to jump to something else. Usually those people take a big hit by bouncing from project to project, but that's what they choose to do anyway. So also it says, then this will then be followed by a correction and bring SHIB back to the 301 during the 4th wave. The 5th wave is again bullish, as it would move the meme to the 3045 level, it's saying, as seen in the chart. So take a look at this, y'all. Super bullish. So they're expecting this first breakout here to A from where we are, around where we, oh no, this is going back to October. So where we are right now currently, we're sitting at B. So expected to break out to 1 on this chart pattern here, then go down to 2, back to the 2500 level after hitting 5,000 points per coin, then breaking out to level 3 at the 3 zeros, 20,000 points per coin level, then pulling back to that 10,000 points per coin level at 4, before bouncing up to number 5 and hitting 3 zeros, 45,000 points per coin. Now this is very exciting to see, also to see technical indicators point towards this, because usually, the technicals aren't always right, but they're, going in that right direction. It's the saying called shoot for the stars, land on the moon. Even if we don't hit 3 zeros, 45,000 points per coin, and we hit 3 zeros, 20,000 points per coin, I would still be very happy with that. So those are our 2 stories for today. Just wanted to get y'all some bullish and exciting news stories out there on Shiba Inu. Also, if you haven't heard yet, we will be launching the Vet Scratch game tomorrow. Go check out the last video I just did. I already dropped the video on Vegas Inu Tokens first play to earn game, where you can earn real cryptocurrency and it is free to play. Check out that video so you can know everything you need to know. We will be going live on the launch of the game tomorrow Pacific time, so that's June 25th at 2 p.m. specific time. So make sure y'all pull up on me. Looking forward to seeing all y'all, especially those a part of the Shiba community. If you haven't checked out the Vegas Inu token project yet, please do so. The links to the project are in the description section of this video. We got a lot of exciting things coming, y'all. Also, we'll be talking about some of these things during the live stream. You'll get the chance to ask some questions and take a look at the price of Vegas Inu token right now. Absolute steal. Extremely oversold right now. So act like smart money and do what smart money does, man. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Join me in the Vegas Inu token Telegram. I got something I need 5 to 10 people of the most loyal people from my community to help with. If you want to help, jump in the Vegas Inu token Telegram and write here to help. I'll know what you're talking about and I'll reach out to you. Appreciate y'all for pulling up.